afternoon guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today and yesterday Martin's been working on this 2023 Ducato 8 that's an Auto Trail. Now this couple have come down to us for quite a few items. The very popular triple audio upgrade, the Alpine X903D-DU8 because it's the Ducato 8, and we've also fitted a security product, and we have fitted these, nearly forgot, our very popular LED fog light style daytime running lights. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through these things rather than have a really long video. As I'm talking, Sammy's going to put some shots up on the screen just to show you exactly what we've done, and obviously see Martin fitting it all. The LED daytime DRLs are really popular, and it just means that even if you've got a vehicle that doesn't have factory daytime running lights, which a lot of these vehicles don't, and if they do, it's just the yellow lamp or bulb in there, which isn't particularly exciting. This transforms it, and the reason why I say that is because these are 4 LED cob style lamp, and it's fitted and wired into the ECU for the lights so that when the engine is running, they're on full brightness. When the engine is, or the side lights are switched on, so around dusk time, these will dim so that you're not blinding everybody on the road. Fantastic bit of kit. If you've got a Fiat Ducato, it'll fit any of the Fiat Ducatos from 2006. Get in touch, we can fit them. Right, now moving on round to the actual vehicle itself. We have fitted our very popular 3 triple audio package. That is door cards off, stage 2 sound deadening, or stage 1 sound deadening rather, and that is sound deadening on the back of this panel here, or on here rather, and that just allows our new Eaton speakers to perform and breathe, and it just makes a massive amount of difference. Up on the A-pillars, we've also fitted the tweeters, and we fitted the Ducato 8 subwoofer and the Alpine inline mini amplifier. The little bass control knob is on this side, which we will show you in a minute. This vehicle's got air controls, so we'd normally fit it there, but haven't. We've also gone for the Alpine X903D-DU8, which is the 9-inch swivel. It's a dedicated motorhome navigation system. You can enter your vehicle dimensions, and we've also fitted a security product, but can't really talk about that. So, more importantly, jump inside and we'll show you a little bit about the kit and how it works. Right, we are seeing lots and lots of variations when it comes to these Ducato 8s. Now this particular one, 2023, so not very old at all, and came to us with an aftermarket radio in there, but no digital radio antenna, so we've had to fit one. Some of the Ducato 8s with the Uconnect nav have got the volume knob, and this has got a plastic steering wheel that is multifunction, but it doesn't offer any volume controls whatsoever, so of no use to us fitting the actual head unit, which is a shame. But it doesn't really matter because this is the X903D-DU8. It's got rotary volume control. so that the driver or co-pilot can then adjust the system. Now, 9-inch navigation system that is dedicated for the Fiat, so you can enter the vehicle dimensions for peace of mind. We've also then got FM, we've got DAB, we've got reversing camera functionality, which is nothing to do with us. We've just retained it for the customer. Now, retaining this for the customer basically means that all we've done is allow this display to pop up on the system like so. And then you've got things like your navigation built in, which is got 3 years map updates, and you could enter your full 7-digit postcode. And you've got your wired Apple CarPlay. So let's go back into here. You've got wired Android Auto. So you've got both of them there. And just scrolling over to Google Maps. So let's just go back over here, go into Google Maps, and you've got your familiar sort of dashboard as you would do anyway. So you've got the choice then. You can use the built-in navigation, which knows it's in a motorhome, or you can use the generic stuff, no problem at all. What else have we done? Well, we've done the triple audio upgrade. So that basically means the stage 2 sound deadening, the Eaton component speakers in the door and up on the tweeters. And then we've also fitted the inline mini amplifier and the 8-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch subwoofer underneath here. Do you know what? I'd remember so many parts and makes and models and everything else, but this is the dedicated Fiat Ducato subwoofer, and that's a cracking bit of kit, and there's your volume control knob there. These guys are going to be chuffed to bits with the overall sound improvement in here. So 2023 Fiat Ducato 8, and we've gone for the LED fog light DRLs, the triple audio upgrade, the X903D-DU8 and a security product. So they're going to roll away with this absolutely chuffed to bits, and we're going to go and hand over to them now. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Website's in the bio. Keep watching our videos. We'll keep pumping out as much as we can content wise, and if you've got a vehicle like this and you want any of this or all of this, then get in touch, and thank you for watching.